been a while since I posted a video. So yesterday I made a trip down to the wreckers, found this SH Forester that had some pretty nice stuff on it. It had, you know, coilovers, had a front mount, but didn't really need it. I was after a steering wheel because, yeah, look at the state of that. Absolutely smashed. And this interior piece here has this like melted plastic on it. So I got one of these, and then I got this trim around here, and the car also had a short shifter in it. So today I'm going to install the trim pieces around here and the short shifter as well. I don't think I'll get around to doing the steering wheel today. I just want to get the short shifter in because it was in there. I was like, fuck it, I'll grab that as well, why not? It's a COBB short shifter, so very good. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be installing this short shifter, basically fixing this trim up, save the steering wheel for another day. But the steering wheel I did get is like brand new, not brand new obviously, but it has no rips, tears or anything. It's fucking mint. So anyway, let's get our assortment of tools and get into this short shifter install. First thing you're gonna want to do is pull this whole console off. So you got two little bolts behind here. You could use an impact drill and get this off in about 5 seconds, but I'm choosing the 10-minute method of sitting here and spinning a fucking socket. That will give you access to this little Phillips head down here. So you're going to get your Phillips head screwdriver and take him out. Now spin your shifter off, your shift knob, pull your handbrake off, your handbrake leather thing off. All this can slide back, and then you just want to lightly pull on this trim, pop it off, and the whole thing can come out. So now we're going to shorten our shifter. So what we're going to do, see these two white clips, push down the rubber and twist them off. This rubber thing can come out. And now we're going to take out this long bolt here. Now this is loose. This is where you will need snap ring pliers. These were like $15. And I'll show you what we're gonna do with these. Look at this packaging, bro. You can't get them out. It's like, yeah, pay for them, but you're not getting them. You need a grinder to cut this shit off. Like, I can't even fucking get it out of this stupid thing. With your snap ring pliers, what you want to do is go into this little ring down here that's holding the like bushing in, and just pinch these two holes and pull this ring out. I've already gone ahead and got it out, and then your whole shifter will come out just like this. Just make sure you got these rubber O-rings back around this bushing, and you've stolen some grease off your old shifter, and just rub it on that ball joint, top and bottom. Now we can just press it back down. Okay, so once you got your shifter in, put your bolt back through, and yeah, you're nearly done already. Like, I haven't even adjusted it to how I wanted it. I just kept it how it was because when it was in the car it felt really nice. Oh, look at that! That is... what? Bro. It is so low. It's shifting really nice though. Yeah, so keen to drive it. I'm so keen. It feels really nice. We just got to click this little fella back on. And we're done. It looks really clean. Still tossing up if I want to put this black trim there. I'll leave it silver. The silver kind of flows. But all this is looking, needs a clean, but looking good. Short shifter is in. I think we should go for a drive and test it out. Okay. Wow, this is going to take some getting used to. It just feels like it's not even in gear when you fucking put it in gear. No way. Going from like neutral to second, I move it like a millimeter, and apparently that's second. I just gotta get used to it. So there is the short shifter install. It takes a lot of getting used to, but I'm kind of used to it now. Do I recommend it? 100%. 100% for those gear changes, mate. Makes them nice and snappy. A lot more snappier on them gear changes. But yeah, it feels very funny for the first couple minutes of driving. I miss second a lot. But yeah, hopefully I don't money shift it. Thank you for watching. Like the video. I'll be back with some more mods soon. I got some other stuff, a couple of little things planned for this car. So yeah.